Got her all cleaned up?
Yeah, I gotta hit like 60 on the way back so I can get the water off. Just 60 only.
Just 60?
Yeah.
She ready for the Subi Fest?
I mean, Hondaru's ready. I don't know if Subaru Fest is ready.
We can't bring you anywhere, dude. She just got steam cleaned. Oh my god. Roman's too much.
What the hell? That was crazy.
What's up, guys? Right now we're getting ready to take the Hondaru over to the Rocky Mountain Subaru Festival.
Yeah, just down the street.
See how everyone reacts to it. Should be pretty fun. We're just gonna hang out. We're also with our buddy Nick and his WRX as well. And yeah, it's literally just a couple minutes down the street from Emilio's shop over here. And
I think it's super clean though.
yeah, his WRX is clean. I don't think you guys have really seen it in the daylight yet. I showed it in the last video at night, but yeah, she's clean. First time you guys get to see it during the day. Yeah, we're gonna head over right now.
These are in.
Go hang out. Yeah, Nick's our in. He has the only full-on Subaru.
Subaru motor and all.
Yep. Not powered by a K-Series. Just rolled up. Already a whole bunch of Subarus everywhere.
That's what we expected.
I mean, it is a Subaru fest, so I'm not surprised. But I don't think I've seen so many.
I know, I don't think I've seen so many in Colorado like in one place, man.
Oh, that one's sick.
If I had this part in my ear.
Andy has the Hondaru shirt on.
I have to, bro. I love the Hondaru song, man. Looks good. We brought it down there. Oh shit. What's up, YouTube?
What's up?
This shit's clean though. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
That's sick.
Under construction.
That's crazy. Twin turbo rotary. And what is that, an RS?
Yeah. By group. Are they doing like the hill climb?
Yeah, with the exhaust.
That's what I felt like.
Yeah, it looks like it'd be like a Pikes Peak car.
Pikes Peak car, yeah.
Handbrake is what you need for the minivan.
Dude, that's sick. Can I climb up in there too?
Yeah, sure. This one. Yeah.
Did you need this for the Hondaru?
I know, that's what I want.
Dude, I would love to have this.
Dude, this is pretty sick.
See this layer?
Oh my god. Dude, this thing is sick. It's like really solid too.
I know, like, I could sleep here for sure. No way.
You should get one for the WRX.
I'm going to.
Dude, this is tight.
Bro, that's what we need though.
Dude.
You can drive my car and then I'll sit back here and just play PlayStation.
Oh, dude. Play some Fortnite. Drop some tilted towers on the road trip. Dude, that catch can is so cool.
Yeah, that's what it is. Buffalo chicken, but it is. That's how my sandwich was.
What up?
Guy?
Came to hang out?
Yeah.
Made it.
It's rad.
I was a little scared to wear that shirt here.
You were?
Yeah.
I figured they could jump me. I got Emilio.
He's good.
Yeah, I'm good. I got it.
Let's see if we can enter the contest, dude.
The two-step contest?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, we are in the danger zone. Oh, yeah, that's
Sneaking your way into the two-step contest.
We snuck into the back, dude. They're crazy.
You just gotta give him the wave, and that's it.
Yeah, we just gave him a nod.
Yeah. All right, pull up.
So right now they're doing the two-step contest, and
I mean, it's a full exhaust, so it's not like we're gonna...
yeah, it's not gonna be crazy. It would be sick if we left that side pipe on it.
It would have been. It would have
been sick. I mean, if you guys remember that video from the meet,
Right
it was gunshots. Yeah, before that rod bent. Yeah, we're sneaking her in. Gonna do a little two-step with the full exhaust. What if you like turn the solenoid down so you could make the gate open too while it's two-stepping? Build enough boost so the gate opens so it gets all loud when the gate opens, you know? It's so quiet.
It is so quiet, dude.
You got a 12?
I do.
Now let's just take the downpipe off.
It's so hot.
Yeah, dude, there's no
Yeah.
way.
It's cheating! Get the computer out! You are lying and cheating! You got the screen there? It's not a box! He's got a Honda, no fair! He's got a box! Grab the ball!
I gotta send you through. Oh, everybody wants to see you.
No, dude.
Please.
Let him do it!
Ah,
Let him do it!
lame. Well, we tried to two-step it, they didn't let us.
No.
That's so bitter.
Oh well, they didn't let him.
It's all right.
That's so.
Did he say?
Salty, bro. The Honda would have won. The Honda would have won, bro.
It's
We tried.
We tried. We tried.
So salty.
It's actually not.
Well, we just brought the crowd over to us, so it's all good.
Crazy.
It's really not that loud.
It's so quiet with the exhaust. Yeah, we'll bring it back next year, and we'll actually enter it, and then we'll get the side pipe back on it.
Right on, yeah, 45 pipe.
Yeah, we got to come back and win that two-step contest.
Right, dude.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Go backflip, just like that. Backflip.
What size do you wear?
Yeah.
Oh! All right.
Yeah, you can get a shirt.
What size?
Bro, he just hit a backflip like nothing.
Like nothing. Yeah. Yeah, learn how to do that. Came in fucking helpful.
Yeah, it helps having talent.
And we get edited. Like when he lands, he's just in a Boostedboiz shirt. Like he goes back in a white shirt and then lands in a Boostedboiz.
That would have been cool. Hold on. Actually, yeah, no.
Yeah.
Do a backflip with the white shirt real quick.
Yeah.
That's the first one of those too.
That was rad.
What's your
name?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Rodolfo.
That was rad, man.
Nice to meet you, man.
That was tight.
A little gymnast over here.
Yeah.
Go for it. What is
Go
it?
follow my Instagram, Rodolfo_09.
Yeah! When it's so hot, you have to cover the shift knob with a shirt.
It's toasty.
Can't even grab it. Is that decal new?
Jamie got me.
Got you some sick flames?
Yeah, you. What do you know about
Or
that?
what? It's not even flames. Like, what is that?
Tribal.
camo.
Oh, well, he's not aware. I've got something special for him. I do.
Gonna get him back?
Oh yeah.
You guys are at war right now.
We're at war. And cars are.
Oh no.
Oh man.
Yeah, this is gonna be epic. Gotcha, bitch.
Is that going on as avalanche?
Yeah.
When he ain't looking.
They got me when I wasn't looking.
Alright guys, so we left the Subaru Fest a couple hours ago. We've just been hanging out, eating food, and right now we're actually over at TopGolf. We met up with Robert again from Hush Performance. We're gonna be hanging out with him for a bit, but the Hondaru was pretty fun over there. People are definitely interested.
Guys, they stole my scoop. I don't know who did it. No, I'm just kidding. The hood was up, and then it like slammed down and it broke this piece. So I didn't want to lose the scoop, so I gotta fix it, put it back on.
Yeah, next, if we take it again later on, we need to make sure we get it registered for the two-step contest and get that figured out. At least they came over and we got to two-step it after, but they didn't let us two-step it in the contest. Nothing crazy happened though. We were just hanging out.
No, it was just a chill day.
Met a lot of fans too, actually.
Cool cars.
A lot of people knew it.
That what was it? The rotary Subaru.
Yeah, that one had a rotary in it.
What did you call it?
Oh, the
Hondaru.
Rataru. I think that should be the name of it.
Sick when they're done with it. Twin turbo.
What's up, man?
What's going on, man?
Ready to play some golf?
We're gonna play some.
TopGolf.
My generation, we had Frogger, and it was better. And you had lives. Yeah, you had lives. You just die. Dang! Don't act like you're not impressed. Yeah, dog. Yeah, dog. Oh, got the record. New high score.
He can tune a car, but can he hit a golf ball?
Oh!
This is turned up.
You got one more. There goes the club.
Hey, man.
Show him how to tap
The other way. There you go.
I'm just gonna edit all your bad ones in. Yeah. And that's it.
We're all bleeding, bro. Everyone on the other is
It's still right there. Robert and Christina taking the win.
Killed it.
First and second place.
That's what we do. Show up, conquer.
They got first and second.
Crushed us.
Hey, I actually came in third, so you know.
That's pretty good. This is your first time. You got.
I mean, all I know is Emilio's behind me, so.
You got me.
Tasivo's trying to show you up.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I don't really like the 10s, but this one's clean.
Yeah, it's nice. Evo came and posted up next to the Hondaru.
Yeah.
Not sure whose that is, but it's clean. I think sweet. But getting out of here for tonight.
Get out of here.
I enjoyed my first time golfing. It was pretty fun.
You did pretty good.
Yeah.
You did decent.
I mean, you beat me, and I'm like a pro, kind of. She's the pro. She's the one that won.
She crushed it. Oh, you probably didn't get a video here.
I don't think I did.
I mean, we
She
don't
did really good.
Well, we did get the top score.
rush the
Yeah, that's all that matters.
They both beat it.
That's rad.
It's cool. Next time we're gonna do something different. Go bowling or something.
I like it. We'll actually get
Well, maybe next time we'll actually get to race.
Oh yeah. Well, we.
You're here thinking about bowling.
There's still
There's still time.
it's wrist o'clock right now. I think next time's gonna be snowboarding or something.
Oh, yeah.
That's true.
It'll be about that time.
I mean, nobody's racing.
We can race.
We can race
down
downhill. Oh, dude, I don't know about it.
Well, safe travels if this is the last time we see you.
Might be. No, it's not. It won't be.
Not the last.
Well, I mean for this trip.
Yeah.
I don't think we're gonna see you tomorrow for anything. I mean, unless you want to come by and hang out.
I mean, we could.
I won't care. Come do some more work on my wagon, and I won't tell you no.
There is a tomorrow.
Right, guys. What's fun? My little brother.
Yeah, they said you guys sound alike.
Now? This is how we tell everyone?
That's how we're gonna tell you.
You know, we just found out that,
Yeah.
you know,
We could tell
my
by
mom,
ours.
his dad, you know, they got busy, you know. And then we found out that we were.
We couldn't tell until we talked.
Turns out they're brothers.
Yeah. We did a quick genealogy, went on Ancestry.
Yeah.
And I found, oh, dude, check this out. We're actually related.
Right?
Yeah.
Only about 50 generations ago. But,
Yeah.
I mean, we got there.
All right, guys. We'll see you later for tonight.